Alright, today we're going to be making this little paper airplane that I made. It flies pretty darn good. Okay. Let us get started. Alright, first you fold the paper in half. Really basic step. I mean, if you can't do this, then there's not a paper airplane you can make. Alright, so when you got your half paper, take this flap, fold this to this pretty much straight along the bottom. You're going to want to get it as straight as you can, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Better, the better, you know, closer the better. I had no idea what I just said. Repeat on the other side, and then do it again. Pick up a flap, this side to this side. This edge, I should call it. Do the other side. As exact as you can. There we go. Now, you get that, you got flaps there. Alright, what you want to do now is you want to take tip and fold it all the way down to the bottom center. Alright, flatten out those bubbles because there's going to be bubbles there. Alright, see this. Now you take from about an inch down there, like right about there, and you fold it back up. Let me get down on here for this. Back up. Flatten out, holding. Make sure to keep the line in the middle straight. Alright, and then you take this tip, right there, this tip, fold it down to there, the bottom of that one, making sure the middle lines up as always. Alright, now you put this, you go about I don't know, we'll say a half inch up this time, and then fold up. So now you have this, looks like that. You're not going to want to keep it like that, you're going to want to have it flat, and then you fold it backwards. Alright, and to make the wings, you want to take right here and fold it to the bottom of this, or pretty much just fold it right here. Like make the crease right there along that line up. All the way up. Same with the other side, sorry for the movement. Getting used to my new camera setup. And my new camera. be a downgrade, but it's easier to record with, so like that. The last one was an iPod. Let's take some good video, but I haven't tested this one's video out yet, so. Alright. You have that. Now if you look here, see that fold? Now you want from right there, there's a line across. You want to grab that, pinch it, and rip this whole tip off from there. There. Now the tip won't get hit like that tip. That's easily bendable, see? Like you just bends easy. This one does not. So when you hit stuff, it'll just hit it and just fall down, and there won't be any alterations to mix it up in the air. Alright. After that, well, there might be some interruption, I don't know. Somebody's coming up the stairs. Alright, after that, you really want to get this part down as tight as you can. I use my teeth. Just to make it better. Alright, now the wings are ready. Alright, you're not done yet. 2 more steps. Get out! Get out! Idiot. You want to rip this up until about just a little bit past halfway. And just a little bit past halfway. Push that up. And then you're going to want to make it like about a centimeter up above the wings. And there's your little foil thing. There, you see that? Alright, and then... Oh yeah, and for the distance down where you want to make the rip, it's going to be about 3/4 of an inch. A little bit more, a little bit less. Never hurt. Alright, then right there you're going to want to fold pretty much just straight from there to there. Fold that up. And then repeat with the other side. And you're almost good to go. Now the wing technique, you want to push up on this whole thing. Make it have its, gotta have it dihedral angle right there. So if it starts to move in air, like turn in air or something, the air bounces back off of them and just keeps it stable. So, I mean, you don't want it too much. You just want it good enough to keep it balanced. There. I don't have a name for it yet. I'll name it in the in the title. All right. Good flights.